Welcome to a journey through one of the most enchanting countries in the world, Italy. Known for its timeless beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, Italy is a land that inspires travelers from across the globe. From its ancient cities to its sun-kissed coastlines, every corner of this country tells a story. In today's video, we'll explore 5 of the most breathtaking destinations you absolutely must add to your bucket list. So whether you're planning your next vacation or just dreaming of Italy, let's dive into these unforgettable places. Stay until the end, you might discover a hidden gem. Let's begin. Venice, the city of canals. Our first destination is Venice, a city so unique it feels like stepping into a dream. Built across 118 small islands and interconnected by over 400 bridges, Venice is a masterpiece of engineering and artistry. It has existed since the 5th century, born out of necessity when refugees fled barbarian invasions and took shelter in the lagoon. St. Mark's Basilica, one of Venice's crown jewels, is a dazzling display of Byzantine architecture. Its golden mosaics tell stories of faith and history, and standing inside feels like stepping back in time. Next door, the Doge's Palace showcases Venice's political power during its era as a maritime republic. Take a gondola ride down the Grand Canal, lined with centuries-old palazzos, each with a story of its own. For a quieter experience, explore the smaller canals that wind through hidden parts of the city. Don't miss the Rialto Market, where you can sample Venetian seafood delicacies like sarde and scior, sweet and sour sardines. If you have time, visit the nearby islands of Murano and Burano. Murano is famous for its intricate glassmaking, while Burano's colorful houses and lace artisans are a feast for the eyes. Tip: the best way to experience Venice is to wander aimlessly. Lose yourself in its narrow streets, discover hidden courtyards, and savor a cappuccino by a quiet canal. Venice isn't just a place, it's a feeling. Would you love to get lost here? Cinque Terre, a coastal treasure. Next, we head to the stunning Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Italy's most iconic coastal destinations. Cinque Terre translates to 5 lands, referring to the 5 villages perched along rugged cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean Sea: Riomaggiore, Manarola, Corniglia, Vernazza, and Monterosso al Mare. Each village has its own charm. Manarola is a photographer's dream with its colorful houses seemingly tumbling into the sea. Vernazza is a postcard-perfect village, famous for its picturesque harbor and medieval Doria Castle. And Corniglia, perched high above the coastline, offers breathtaking views for those willing to climb the 300-plus steps to reach it. The villages are connected by scenic hiking trails. The Sentiero Azzurro, or Blue Trail, takes you through vineyards and olive groves, offering some of the most dramatic views you'll ever see. For a more relaxing experience, take a boat ride along the coast to see the villages from the water. Local cuisine is another highlight. Try trofi al pesto, a pasta dish made with fragrant basil and pine nuts, or indulge in freshly caught anchovies. And don't forget to sip on a glass of Sciacca, the region's famous sweet wine. Tip: visit in the shoulder seasons, like late spring or early fall, to avoid the crowds and fully enjoy the tranquility of this coastal paradise. Which village do you see yourself exploring first? Tuscany, rolling hills and Renaissance splendor. Our third destination is the heart of Italy, Tuscany. Known for its rolling hills, Renaissance art, and world-renowned wines, Tuscany is a feast for the senses. Start in Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. The Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, known as the Duomo, is an architectural marvel. Climb to the top of Brunelleschi's dome for panoramic views of the city. Nearby, the Uffizi Gallery houses masterpieces by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. Venture to Siena, where time seems to stand still. The Piazza del Campo is a stunning medieval square that hosts the famous Palio horse race twice a year. Then there's San Gimignano, a hilltop town known for its medieval towers. Its skyline, dotted with 14 preserved towers, offers a glimpse into Tuscany's rich history. Tuscany is also home to the world-famous Chianti wine region. Tour the vineyards, sample bold red wines, and enjoy rustic meals in family-run trattorias. The simplicity of Tuscan cuisine, from creamy ribollita soup to tender bistecca alla Fiorentina, is a true celebration of local flavors. Tip: rent a car to explore Tuscany at your own pace. Drive through sunflower fields, stop at charming villages, and enjoy the golden hues of the countryside at sunset. What would you enjoy more, the art or the wine? Amalfi Coast, the jewel of the Mediterranean. Our next stop is the Amalfi Coast, a stretch of coastline so beautiful it's hard to believe it's real. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for its dramatic cliffs, sparkling waters, and picturesque villages. Start in Positano, where pastel-colored houses cascade down to the sea. Wander its narrow streets lined with boutiques and cafes, and relax on its pebble beach. Further along the coast is Ravello, a serene hilltop town with breathtaking gardens. The Villa Ruffalo and Villa Cimbrone offer some of the most stunning views of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Take a boat to the island of Capri, famous for its luxury villas and the Blue Grotto, a sea cave illuminated by an ethereal blue light. Capri also offers scenic hiking trails, such as the Path of the Gods, which lives up to its name with divine views. As you travel along the Amalfi Drive, stop at small villages to enjoy local delicacies. From fresh seafood pasta to the region's famous limoncello, every bite is a celebration of Amalfi's flavors. Tip: sunrise and sunset are magical times to experience the Amalfi Coast. Watch the golden light transform the cliffs and sea into a masterpiece. Rome, the Eternal City. Our final stop is none other than Rome, the Eternal City. With over 2,500 years of history, Rome is a living museum where every street corner reveals a piece of the past. Begin at the Colosseum, an ancient amphitheater that once hosted gladiatorial battles. Nearby, the Roman Forum offers a glimpse into daily life in ancient Rome, with ruins of temples, markets, and public spaces. The Pantheon, with its awe-inspiring dome, remains one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. And of course, toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to this magical city. No visit to Rome is complete without exploring Vatican City. Visit St. Peter's Basilica, the largest church in the world, and admire Michelangelo's frescoes in the Sistine Chapel. Tip: Rome is best explored on foot. Wander through its cobblestone streets, savor a creamy gelato, and soak in the energy of its bustling piazzas. If you could visit just one landmark in Rome, what would it be? From Venice's romantic canals to Rome's ancient wonders, Italy is a country that leaves an everlasting impression. Each destination offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Which of these places is at the top of your travel list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.